10 ways to prevent and treat ingrown hair like a pro. Ingrown hair can be a painful and unpleasant problem, which often appears in people with curly hair. If you leave this question without attention, you may face inflammation. In addition, people can prevent the appearance of ingrown hair at home, although there are times when it is better to visit a doctor. What is ingrown hair? From a medical point of view, this problem is known as pseudofolliculitis barbae. Moreover, ingrown hair can appear on any part of the body, but most often occur in areas where the hair is shaved or subjected to intense friction, including beard, legs, chest, armpits, and pubic area. How can you treat ingrown hair at home? Ingrown hair is an unpleasant problem, but very often it can be solved at home. Here are 10 ways that will help you prevent and treat ingrown hair like a pro. Number 1. You just need to use a sterile needle or tweezers to gently tease the hair out of the skin. Number 2. You do not need to pluck the hair out completely if you can avoid doing so. Just make sure that the ingrown end is out of the skin. It may take a little time to coax the hair out. If you choose to use tweezers, remember that tweezers can be either pointy or flat-tipped. Number 3. Simply try loosening your clothing. Next, for shaving, tight clothing is the most frequent cause of ingrown hairs, particularly on the legs. Try wearing loose pants, skirts or shorts, and see if the problem goes away. Number 4. Just try exfoliating regularly. In this case, you need to use a loofah every time you shower. Also, do not forget to moisturize the skin soon after bath to keep it soft and supple. Number 5. Men should shave correctly to prevent recurrence. Since most ingrown hairs are caused by shaving, the easiest way to prevent them is to grow a beard. Number 6. Try to do the right shaving. The longer the hair, the less likely it is to curl back into the skin, so try shaving less closely by using a single blade razor or electric shaver instead of a multi-blade razor. Number 7. Do not forget to moisturize after shaving. Using a moisture-rich aftershave or lotion will soften hairs, so they will not easily be able to penetrate the skin. Number 8. Unclog your pores. If your ingrown hairs are stuck underneath the skin, you probably have a blockage of the hair follicles. Number 9. We recommend using an exfoliating product or an acne cream containing salicylic acid. If you carry out skin exfoliation regularly with a loofah or mesh sponge, after waxing or shaving, you will take off the thin layer of skin that's strapping the ingrown hairs and set them free. Number 10. In case the inflammation extends beyond the immediate area of the hair follicle, or persists for more than a few days after the hair has been freed, you should visit a doctor. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and please share this with your friends and family, and let us know what you think in the comments section below.